Hi, this is Chris from Optimus FX taking a look at the MetaTrader 4 platform. In front of you, I have the MT4 platform, and you can see that there is a chart here. So the question then becomes how to get that chart displayed. There are several different ways in which you can do it. You can simply go to File and click New Chart, and at that point in time, it'll give you a list of various instruments that you can trade. And for example, I can pick the Aussie Swiss and it pulls the chart up. Pretty straightforward. You can also right click on the market watch and just put chart window. Click on that left click and it pulls up the chart window. There are several different types of charts that you can have in MetaTrader 4. And that can be obtained from simply looking at the charts menu. And you can click, for example, if you want a bar chart, you just click that and you get a bar chart. You can also do it from the screen itself by simply looking at the properties level of the menu. And then you can pull up color schemes, switch back to candlestick or line chart. And there you can see I'm with the line chart. Speaking of color schemes, that's one of the many features in the MetaTrader 4 that you can change. So for example, if I come over here, there are a couple pre-built color schemes on this. So if I want yellow on black, for example, it will just simply switch over to yellow on black. In the properties window, you will also see that in the color scheme, you can go back and forth. But if you choose to customize the colors for whatever reason, for example, if you want a blue line instead, click on the color and then it just simply changes it over. So it's pretty straightforward. Other things that you have are templates. So there are some built-in templates that you'll see. This is the ADX template. It has the ADX indicator. And you can see the front screen. You can, of course, customize this. Click on the grid. You can make it go away. Go back to templates, and there's the layers built-in template. You can see that it has the various indicators that make it that particular type of chart. You can close the chart out here. You can access other charts based upon the tabs below. As you can see, I have several different charts here. Another thing that you can do is put up a new chart here, and you can see that this is what comes up on this particular platform. You can change the default, and it's really simple to do. So for example, if you go to properties and change it how you want. So let's say that you want green on black, and you want the bar up and the candle up to change. So for example, a bull candle, a positive candle, you want to be green, and a bear candle you want to be black. You can change that over and you can see that it's the black background and the black hollow candle. But what you can also do is you can go to template and you can go save template. It will pull up all of the templates that you have listed. There is a default template and you can change this. If you click on default, you just click save. The default already exists. Do you want to replace it? Click yes. And then what happens is the next time you pull up a chart, it will look like that. Pretty flexible, very easy to work with. And for example, you can even work from the tabs where you can go into Windows, you can minimize, maximize, and close. So pretty straightforward type of platform. It does offer you quite a bit of flexibility, allowing you to set up charts how you want. You can even set up the time frame. You can change the time frame, which is pretty handy. You go from 1 minute up to monthly. So for example, on this chart, I can change to 30 minutes and you see that it changed. Another thing that could be said about the templates is if you choose to save the template in the 30-minute window, for example, the next time you pull up a chart, it will be 30 minutes. As you can tell, many different ways to pull up charts, many different ways to customize them. The colors alone change almost everything, and you can of course change a lot of the other things as well, as far as whether it auto scrolls, shows grids, shows volumes, period separators such as lines on a chart that shows distance on time. So for example, on the 30-minute chart, this would show one 24-hour period, and then of course you can go back and take that out. You can take out the ask line, the offer line, etc. So there's a lot of flexibility here, and as you can see, if you play around with it a little bit, you can get the exact type of charts that you like. Thank you for watching our video on creating a chart in MetaTrader 4.